How much does Rocket Money charge per 1,000? Hook, have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're constantly chasing after your money, never quite catching up? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle to manage their finances effectively. That's where tools like Rocket Money come in. But here's the burning question: how much does Rocket Money actually cost? Building context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand what Rocket Money actually does. Essentially, it's a personal finance app designed to help you track your spending, identify areas where you can save, and even negotiate bills on your behalf. It's like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips. Now, you might be thinking, sounds great, but how much is it going to cost me? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The cost breakdown. Rocket Money offers a few different pricing plans. Let's break them down. Free plan. Basic features: you can track your spending, set budgets, and get alerts for unusual activity. Limitations: you won't have access to some of the more advanced features, like bill negotiation and credit score monitoring. Premium plan. Additional features: along with the basic features, you'll get access to bill negotiation services, credit score monitoring, and identity theft protection. Cost: the premium plan typically comes with a monthly or annual subscription fee. Custom plans. Tailored solutions. For businesses or individuals with specific needs, Rocket Money might offer custom plans. Pricing. The cost will vary depending on the features and services included. Factors affecting cost. The exact cost of Rocket Money can vary depending on a few factors. Your location. Prices may differ based on your region or country. Promotional offers. Rocket Money often runs promotions and discounts, so you might be able to find a better deal. Bundle deals. If you sign up for other services through Rocket Money, you might get a discounted rate. Is Rocket Money worth the cost? The question of whether Rocket Money is worth the cost is a personal one. It depends on your individual financial situation and how much value you place on the features it offers. If you're struggling to manage your finances and you're looking for a tool to help you get organized, Rocket Money could be a valuable investment. The bill negotiation and credit score monitoring features can potentially save you money and improve your financial health. However, if you're on a tight budget and you don't need all the bells and whistles, the free plan might be sufficient. Additional considerations. Alternatives. There are other personal finance apps available, so it's worth comparing features and prices before making a decision. Customer reviews. Read reviews from other users to get a sense of their experiences with Rocket Money. Trial period. Many apps offer free trials, so you can try Rocket Money before committing to a paid subscription. Conclusion. So, how much does Rocket Money charge per 1,000? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. The cost can vary depending on the plan you choose, your location, and any promotions or discounts that are available. Ultimately, the decision of whether Rocket Money is worth the cost is up to you. If you're looking for a tool to help you take control of your finances, it's definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy saving.